Hi friends, are you struggling with your pistol squat even without being sabotaged by dogs? Here are 5 progressions that you could try. First up, I want you to try elevating your heels a little bit. Now you don't need a wedge like I've got here, a couple of books will work just fine. Your first thing to try is get into a low squat and see if you can extend one leg out into a bent leg. Then your second option is to see if you can extend that leg out straight. Then see if you can balance. Keep reaching forward here so it will help you to counterbalance. And then we're going to try and add a little bounce, start to work those end ranges a little harder. And then I want you to see if you can stand all the way up, but with putting a heel down when you need it. So balancing for as long as possible and then heel down at the last minute. And then finally, progress to standing all the way up without that foot on the floor. With time and practice, you'll be able to get rid of that wedge, especially as the ankles become more mobile, and voila, some pistol squats.